Alright guys, so we are looking at Canada at a monster tornado warning. I mean, this sucker is hooking. Right in here is a massive hook. I mean, that thing is huge. If you look, what we mean by hook is see how it's starting to wrap around like this? So that's the hook feature. That's what we look for when we're looking at tornado warnings on radar. So let's switch over here to high res and look at this thing. Right back in the same spot that we were. See how the reds and the greens are matching up right here in this hook arrow. Remember the hook that we were just talking about? And let's see. Radar confirmed tornado is located 7 kilometers southwest of Perth. So again, this is up in Canada. So this is a radar confirmed tornado.